Today I'm going to run through a few facts about Olaplex. We all know how Olaplex 1 and 2 work. I'm going to quickly do a treatment on my hair because I actually haven't had one ever. My hair's natural and I don't know, although natural hair can still benefit from it, obviously it's going to help the structure to be stronger. I've just never had one, and I've just bought number 4 and 5, and I want to show you how concentrated these are. But you shouldn't really use them without having 1 and 2 first. So I'm going to run through that treatment and I'm going to talk to you about Olaplex 4 and 5. So first thing you have to do is, with long, medium hair, you normally have 75 ml of water. My hair's obviously short, so I haven't put so much in. Warm water. The warm water lifts the cuticle to allow the product inside. And then we'll add 15 ml of Olaplex number 1. We'll pour this in. Don't shake it up too vigorously because the molecules will just go mental and they won't work properly. So, this is a sound size number 1, and this is the handy travelling stylist kit. So, this I took on holiday with me to do a few videos from the cruise. You can see it in the red carpet glossy waves because to create red carpet. Someone else like playing loud music. So, I'll just put my finger on the top, shake it upside down really gently. In the salon, you put this on a basin. I obviously don't have a basin in my house, so I'm going to try not to make too much of a mess. Let's see how this works. Just pop this all over. See, I've used less water because you don't want to use less number 1. That's the important ingredient. This will help to rebuild all the disulfide bonds. And this is its purest form, which is why it's a liquid, which they've obviously done a conditioner form to help close the cuticle down afterwards. But this one just gets right into the hair. Ooh. Okay, and then comb free. Okay, and now we're going to leave that for 5 minutes, and I will be back to put number 2 on. Those 5 minutes are up. So now we're going to put number 2. Olaplex give me all these products, by the way, so thanks Olaplex. Number 2, you don't need a lot, it's really concentrated. My hair's obviously short, I know I said already, I know you can see it, but it's going to be written off. So cover root to tip. It's not heavy, it's all pre-shampoo. My hair was clean, so I just put it straight on top. If you have a lot of wax or hairspray or product buildup, just make sure you give your hair a shampoo first, just to cleanse it out. Just one light one, because we're going to wash it afterwards. Okay, and now that is going to stay for a minimum of 10 minutes. If someone comes into the salon and their hair is extremely dry and we're using this as a pre-colour service, I would normally tell them to come in, have one put on first, 5 minutes, leave it soak in, number 2 over the top, then we'll braid their hair and then send them home with it in. With normal conditioners, you can't do this because too much protein isn't good for the hair. But because Olaplex isn't protein based and it actually works on rebuilding disulfide bonds, there's no time limit to it. Using it more isn't going to damage your hair, whereas using too much protein based conditioners can make your hair too brittle and break. Okay, so I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so I've just rinsed my hair after 10 minutes. I'm going to use a tiny little drop of number 4. It's going to emulsify through your hands. And watch, I'm going to show you how much these, like I must use about 3 ml of product. So, can you see how I can feel it, like how it actually even looks. But how much shampoo, I probably didn't even need that much. Like so much shampoo has come out that tiny bit. So for 200, I'm gonna go rinse. I'm gonna talk to you about this in a minute. Because yeah. Okay, so once you've shampooed, we rinse obviously you're going to shower, so just wring out most of the water. If you've got a towel handy, towel dry it off a little bit. Then we're going to go with number 5, and you're still going to use the tiniest bit. Now this is so thick, so when it starts getting half a day, you have to do this upside down shower because it will get stuck to the bottom for ages. So this needs to be left on for 3 minutes. But again, emulsify it through your hands, so you get plenty of product out. Okay, so I know people don't normally run their conditioner root tip. You normally tend to condition them with length and ends, that's where it's dry, and then move on to the root. The trouble is with Olaplex shampoo and conditioner is, the shampoo is a pH level of a 6.5, well 6 to 6.5. Now this is too high for your natural hair. So your hair can't be that high as a pH level because it just won't be in good condition. But it has to be that high to lift the cuticle to allow the product inside. Now the conditioner is a pH level of a 4 to 5, which will pull your hair right back down again. So yeah, because your hair naturally sits between a 4.5 to a 5.5, that's why you need to make sure you use the shampoo and conditioner together, and you need to leave this conditioner on for 3 minutes to pull your hair's natural pH back down to where it should be. Okay, that's the conditioner now rinsed. I'm not putting any products in my hair because I want you to see the gloss and lightness of this product. Like there's nothing, I've just rinsed the conditioner. But I just want you to see how light this product actually is, because although everything goes on conditioner, goes root tip, we've had 2 stages to the pre-shampoo and we've used Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, so everything has been put on Olaplex. I'm going to show you how light it actually is. Oh, also, shout out to my rose gold Lanai. You can order these personalised as well. It's not just personalised because it's me, they personalise everyone's hair dryers if you pay an extra €10, I think. Okay, that's dry, and can you see there's no heaviness to my hair, like it's still really super light. Nothing's weighed it down, still a little bit down, so that would even make it look heavy. So yeah, just to recap then, number 1, Olaplex in its purest form, that's why it's a liquid. Number 2, helps to seal it all in and close your cuticle down. Number 3 is your client to use at home, which I don't have any here. And number 4 is your shampoo, which is a pH level of a 6 to 6.5, which is too high for your natural hair. So make sure for your clients, when you buy anything, you need to buy both of these, number 4 and number 5. Because this is a pH level of a 4 to 5, which brings your hair right back down to where it naturally should be again. Leaving it feeling silky, smooth, light, shiny. Don't be scared to put this root to tip as well. So good. Don't forget my thumbs up and hit subscribe for future videos.